This new card is absolutely incredible.
This is not the future. This is gifts that called the present.
What if I told you this influencer is not real? No camera, no makeup, no human. This feels like Ex Machina, sounds like... Do you want to make AI influencers? Check out Higgsfield AI's new feature. Let's make it!
Wait, did you think that tech reviewer was real or that guy chilling at the beach? What if I told you they don't exist? No camera, no actors, just pure AI. Let's dive in. Let's start. Fire up your browser and search for Higgsfield AI. Click on the first link to open their official website. Today on PcomLap, I am going to show you how to build your very own hyper-realistic AI influencer using a crazy new tool called Higgsfield AI. This platform is changing the game for content creators, and you're about to see why. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. It's packed with tools, but today we are focusing on one specific feature. Ignore the pop-ups and look for the AI Influencer tab at the top. This is where the magic starts. Click on Create New. Now you can choose your character type. Humans, animals, you name it. We are going for a realistic human look today. Here is where you get to be the director. I am setting the gender to male, picking an ethnicity or origin base, and dialing in a deep brown skin tone. Let's match the eyes to deep brown as well, and keep the age set to adult. You can tweak these settings to create literally anyone you can imagine. Once your settings are locked in, hit Generate. The AI is now building your unique influencer from scratch. And boom! Meet Jagger. He looks distinct and ready for the camera. Now let's make him move. Head over to Cinema Studio. I am uploading Jagger's reference image here so the AI knows exactly who to animate. For our first scene, I want him to look like a high-end tech YouTuber. In the prompt box, I am typing medium shot of sitting at a high-end gaming setup with RGB lighting, wearing a hoodie, speaking enthusiastically to the camera, holding a GPU. I am also setting the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for shorts and reels. Let's hit Generate. Look at that result. The lighting, the RGB background, the way he holds the GPU, it looks like a legitimate tech review. The consistency of the face is spot on. We just created a tech influencer in seconds without buying a single piece of gear. Let's switch it up. AI influencers need to be versatile, right? I am keeping the same character but changing the vibe completely.
This new card is absolutely incredible. This new
For the prompt, I am putting in full body shot of performing a trending TikTok dance, bright studio lighting. To make it more cinematic, I am going into the camera movement settings and selecting dolly in. This will slowly push the camera towards him while he dances. Let's see what we get. And there it is. Smooth motion, perfect character consistency. He is ready for the For You page.
Yeah, let's just take it down tonight, night.
Finally, let's try a different look to show you the range. I am swapping the reference image to a new character model I made earlier.
This is not the future. It's already happening.
And just like that, you've got a cast of AI influencers ready to create content for you. No cameras, no studios, just your imagination. If you want to see more deep dives into AI tools like this, smash that like button and subscribe to PcomLab for tech beyond expectations. I'll catch you in the next one.